Welcome to SMSlenz. Getting your sender ID is simple. From the dashboard, go to Sender ID Mask and click Request New. There are just 3 easy steps to complete. 1. Sender ID name. Enter the unique name you want your messages to be sent from. It must be 3 to 11 characters long, contain only letters and numbers, and match your brand or business name. 2. Business registration, BR/NIC. Upload a copy of your business registration. If your business isn't registered, you can upload a copy of your NIC instead. 3rd, request letter. First, download the sample template. Copy it onto your official company letterhead, sign it, and upload it here. The requested sender ID name must match in both the system and the request letter. Make sure your sender ID follows the provided guidelines. Once you've filled in all the required fields and uploaded your documents, simply click Submit Request. Our team will review your submission, and approvals typically take 1 to 3 business days. And that's it. Your custom sender ID will be ready to use, helping your brand stand out in every SMS you send. Simple, clear, professional. That's the SMSlenz way. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy using SMSlenz.